Hello kids and welcome to another video of Curious Panda. I am your Panda teacher and in this video we are going to solve another mathematical problem. Today's problem is a little difficult one. It involves data interpretation and at the same time some subtraction, right? We'll go to the question, but before that I would like to talk to your parents. Dear parents, if you want your kids to ace the Olympiad examination, the best way is to make them practice a lot of previous year question papers. And if you want to do that, I have a PDF file of 18 previous year question paper in the description box below. Click the link, you can just purchase that for just rupees 89, right? Now, let's go back to the question. Okay, so today's question is more of a data interpretation question. So let's read the question, understand, because in data interpretation, it is very important to read the question not once but twice, understand it, and then do whatever you need to do in mathematically, say addition, subtraction, multiplication, whatever you need to do, and then find out the answer. Let's read the question. The height of a tree at the end of each month is shown here in the table. So here in the table, you can see the height of the tree in centimeters. It has been given and it is at the end of each month that you can see, right? In which month the height of the tree increases the most. So you have to find out in which month you would see the height of the increase in the height of the tree the most. It's not the height of the tree. Obviously the tree would keep on growing and it would keep on growing higher, right? But on which month it grows the most, that is what you have to find out in this question. I will take a break of 5 seconds, but you please pause the video, take a couple of minutes, solve it, and then get to the solution. Great. So I hope you would have already solved this question. If you have already found the solution, well and good. If you have not, let's go and find out how do we solve this question, right? Now again, let's read the question. The height of a tree at the end of each month is shown here in the table. In which month the height of the tree increases the most, right? Now, end of April, the height of the tree is 12 centimeter. So beginning of May also, the height would be same, right? 12 centimeter. And at the end of May, the height has increased from 12 centimeter to 20 centimeter in May. So 1st of May, height was 12 centimeter. End of May, it is 30 centimeter. So what is the change in the height of the tree? So this is nothing but 30 minus 12. So if you subtract 12 from 30, you will have to carry 1 over from here. So it will become 10. 10 minus 2 is 8. And this 2 minus 1 is 1. So this is nothing but 18, right? So let me just put it this way. Correct? Now, if you see at the beginning of June, the height of the tree was 30 centimeter. End of June, it was 45 centimeter. So in June, the tree grew from 30 centimeter to 45 centimeter. So you have to subtract to find out what is the growth increase in the height of the tree. So this will be nothing but 45 minus 30, right? This was also minus. So 5 minus 0 is nothing but 5. 4 minus 3 is nothing but 1. So that increase is 15, correct? So you keep on doing this. So from 45 to 64, right? From at the end of June, or again in the beginning of July, the height was 45 centimeter. But at the end of June, it was 64 centimeters. So now you have to subtract 64 minus 45. So again, you'll have to take 1 carried over. 14 minus 5 is nothing but 9. And 5 minus 4 is 1. So this increase is 19 centimeter, right? Now again, if you check over here, you do the same kind of subtraction here. 88 minus 64. This is 4, this is 24. So this increase is 24. And if you do this one, then 88 to 109, if you subtract this, so let's subtract 109 minus 88. We know this will be 981. This would be cut out here and you'll carry over 1 to here. 10 minus 2 is 21. So this is 21. So now we know that the highest increase, that is in the month of August, the tree grew from 64 centimeter to 88 centimeter, and that would be your highest increase in the overall in these 6 months that has been given. So the answer is nothing but option number 3, August, right? It's just a subtraction problem. It is a data interpretation as well. You read the data, understand that this is what needs to be done. Simple. I'm sure you would have solved this question correctly. If you have, well and good. If you haven't, not to worry. You have learned something new today. Clap for yourself. And you have already solved the question. Then give yourself a star, clap for yourself. And we will meet in the next video solving another question. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. And if you want to purchase 18 previous year question paper, go to the description box and find out the link to the PDF. We'll meet you in the next video. Till then, thank you. Jai Hind.